fellas, here is the iLIVING 20-inch high velocity floor fan. I know in the comment or the post I said I was gonna take this thing apart for cleaning in the video. Well, I basically decided I basically changed my mind on that one, and I just did it off camera. But I think today what I'm going to show you, I know I did not tighten one of the screws all the way, and a little bit of vibration that was causing it from the fan when I was using it yesterday a little bit. But I think I'm just gonna tighten them up in the video, such as you guys can, such as the viewers can see what I'm doing. But this is not gonna be the production of removing the front grille. It's just basically tightening up the screws properly. So I'm gonna go get started, and who knows, maybe after the video I'll do I'll do a test run. But in a good case of fact, we'll probably do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and go do this now. I know, let's see, this screw right here where I'm pointing was all kind of loose, not tightened up all the way. This one, and I gotta say, these screws were really a pain to remove and put back on. It was a pain. That's why I probably didn't do that video, because it'll take a long time. And in the video, it was also frustrating. I really kind of, I don't know. At least I got the fan partially cleaned, because, I think these screws were okay on the bottom. Yeah, they were. I guess this side right here can get tightened up a little. Alright, so I think maybe a few screws, but not, well, a couple, a few. So let's go ahead and I'm going to get going with this one. Okay, that looks good. So this one, if I can get it. And this one here is a trouble screw, but I think it's all good. I bet you guys can see me tying up these screws. If I'm in the way, then okay. Alright, now I'll just tilt the fan head up, because I'm gonna turn on the side right here. Actually, you know what I can do? I can turn the fan to the side. There we go, that's better. Let's see. And there's a reason why I didn't do this all the way, because these screws are absolutely pain to remove. Alright, try to do this better this way here. Really have to put some pressure on this thing, because well, that's in all the way. And I think it's all good to go. I think maybe 3 needed to get tightened all the way. Alright, so now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna plug this in for you guys, and I think it won't make those vibration noises. It was actually coming from the grill, the one with the grills. That's okay. Let's put that there. The only main thing is you guys are gonna hear the wind stream coming from the fan. I may have to move the tripod to the side, such as you guys can see. So I'm gonna have to move you guys. Move it right over here. You know, the camera is moving. I'm gonna readjust here. Hold on. Oops. Alright, I think it's in frame now, so that's good. So now what we're gonna do, give a test run here. You guys all remember this plug has a fuse plugged, a fuse plug grounded, grounded fuse plug, so yeah. Plug it in here. Alright, it's plugged in now. Make sure everything's in frame, and we'll give you guys a start sound on low. I know I'm in the way of the camera, but here we go. It's running, and I'm not hearing any vibrations coming from the grills. It's been fixed. Actually, you know, for a lot of air it's moving. It's actually moving all the way from the studio. I can definitely feel it. Go to medium. So medium right now, I also feel the studio, which is not very bad at the moment for this fan. Now the high. But now you guys can definitely hear it now. But it is really strong at high speed. I don't know, maybe I'm standing about maybe 6 feet away from this fan, and I can really feel that breeze. It's really powerful and strong, which is quite impressive for a 10-inch fan like this. It really isn't all that much. It's not even all overall as on either. It's very quiet at the moment. Well, decently quiet, I should say. I don't know if you guys are seeing there in the video there. You can barely see there's a spider web right there, and I think it's moving that spider web because the fan is like circulating the whole room right now. And I know you guys can't be able to see because you guys are seeing the fan right now, but it's actually moving. Well, I'm going to cut it off now. Spin down time is very decent. So yeah, in other words, I was gonna say, I purposely wanted to do that, taking the fan apart to clean, because it was only a little bit dusty, and I don't understand why I wanted to do it too soon. Oh well. Well, it was fairly interesting, but I guess those screws, you know, are definitely a pain in the rear sometimes. But they are a pain in the rear because they're really itty bitty screws. What a joke. But anyways, there you guys have it. This video will be uploaded to on YouTube, and I'm almost already up to my 40 milestone already, as I already got 30 subscribers. So it's actually really great. My milestone is actually coming again. So this is really nice. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And as always, you know, my friends out there watching this probably video, that will probably watch this video actually, they're probably gonna, yeah, they'll probably like this video. But anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And as always, out.